Hi, my name is Pedro Oliveira and I'm a Linux professional engineer at NXLog. Today we are going to guide you on the integration with OPNsense Firewall with the NXLog Platform. To configure the OPNsense Firewall to send the logs to NXLog Platform, we need to do the following. Just log in, go to System, go to Settings, select Logging, click on the tab Remote, and now add your configurations. OPNsense has a nice feature similar to pfSense. You can select which kind of logs you want to send based on the daemon of the firewall. In this configuration, I will choose to send suricata logs, so they can then after be relayed to our CM system, wireless WireGuard, the VPN, firewall, filter, and DHCP logs. Also, you have this possibility of the increase of the granularity of levels of our logging. I can select and specify only error logs, warning, notice, or info. So I will want to send only the warnings, error, and critical. In the host name, I need to select the NXLog agent server that is listening to one specific port to receive these logs. So I will specify one IP address. By default, OPNsense sets the default port to 514. This is the default port for syslog. However, in previous episodes, I already configured two firewalls, and I want to keep my firewalls logs divided, so I can separate it and parse them in a nice way. So I will specify another port. In this case, I will specify for 5144. This is the protocol used for syslog, so I will leave it like default, okay? And I can say that is NXLog Platform. And click Save. Need to click Apply, so the OPNsense firewall applies these configuration settings, and after the apply is done, OPNsense is sending the logs to NXLog Platform. Now on the NXLog Platform, we need to configure our agent to receive the OPNsense firewall logs. So we go to Agents, go to Configurations Overview, select the template. As I mentioned before, I already have these two firewalls in the Synology, and I will want to create a new one, just specific for OPNsense. So drag and drop, collect from, give it a name, input OPNsense. Specify the port, so I specify the port 514. Click Save, and from now on, the agent is configured to listen the port and receive the OPNsense logs. Let's update our agent. Go to Agents, go to our agent, go to Statistics, and see. So as you can see, it's running. And in a brief moment, we're going to receive the OPNsense logs. As we can see, we have just received 72 logs from our OPNsense firewall. To see which kind of logs the firewall has sent, we click Log Search, and we select the model OPNsense and see which kind of message we have just received. So we received this message. If you have or need any clarification about how to integrate other hardware or firewalls in your environment, please check our website at www.nxlog.co and check our documentation, or go to integrations to see which kind of integrations is possible with the NXLog platform. Thank you.